Duck79 here as part 2 of the Iron Man 1966. As you can see, I now have the first yellow suit on mannequin me. Belly. Suck it in, boy. So, mannequin me has his suit on, and I was going to 3D print all the parts myself. I got a 3D printed file from wherever. I cannot for the life of me remember where the 3D printed file came from. I will have a look through my records and drop the link in the description. So I bought the 3D printed file, or the scan, the file, for about $30, I think it was. And then I was going to be 3D printing the suit on a large factor printer, not my Prusa i3 Mark III behind me, but I was going to be using an Endo 5 Plus, which I have at the place where I work. But it's decided to play silly buggers of me, so it's not letting me print. I've had it a few years now and I've printed one small cube. The boss is very happy at the place where I work. But I've been in contact with a long time friend, a school friend of mine. We've reconnected quite well recently. I'm visiting him in about 3 or 4 weeks' time. So you might get some footage of that, or you might have already watched it because these videos are coming out after my visit. But he has literally fallen down a 3D printing rabbit hole. That's his username on YouTube, so head over there, there's a link below. Give him a subscription. So when he heard my dilemma, I was asking if he knew how to fix the 3D printer, and he said, well, how about I print them for you, the pieces? So I sent him over a few rolls of PLA, and then he did all the work of dropping the 3D files onto his print bed and creating a suit, all the parts that I need so far, in my size. So I measured myself, sent in the measurements, and he 3D printed the bits. I've not opened the box, and because I don't really have a lot of time for this cosplay, it's quite a rushed one really. We printed it in the correct Iron Man 1966 colour, and I literally am leaving the 3D printed parts as they are. If I get chance, I will give them a coating to make them shiny or buff them up. But so far, I just need to make the suit. It's just a birthday party. But I've gone one step too far. That's something that people call me one step. So here we go. Got a box. I'm so excited. Look at that. So there's one piece of an arm. There you go. Other arm. How cool is this? One step too far. So that's delivery 1. What it is. I fell down a 3D rabbit hole. Has sent me the first part so we can get things on the go. This is very good. It's a just needs a little bit of a sand here and there, but it is going to be a very basic suit. I'll either put some magnets in there. I have got a motor. It would be pretty cool if I can. But here's this very different shape. Or I just attach it on and then just take the helm off. As and when. So there we go. Thank you. I fell down a 3D rabbit hole. I fell down a 3D printed rabbit hole. He's done some amazing work. And this has really helped me with this costume. But he's going to look cool. We need to attach the leg parts to the boots, which are not here. And then we'll decide on the arc. We need a yellow disc in the middle, same yellow as this. We're pushing it one step too far for a 60th birthday. Tax 79 out.